charged with a crime in Pittsfield Township, your case will be heard at the 14A-1 District Court. The judge is Judge Conlin, and there are two distinct prosecutors. The first prosecutor is the Washtenaw County Prosecutor's Office. The second prosecutor is the Pittsfield Township Prosecutor. Now what I've done is I've put a book together, the Ann Arbor Criminal Defense Playbook. It's a comprehensive guide to all of Washtenaw County. This guide assists all of my clients in navigating the system and better understanding what my proactive program could do to benefit their case. Now, some cases that I hear in this particular court, there's a lot of drunk driving cases, retail fraud, possession of marijuana cases, malicious destruction of property, suspended license cases. All of these type of cases can be handled in a proactive manner. What my clients do from day one is we go on a comprehensive plan to change the story of your case. What I mean by this is initially the police, the prosecutor, and the judge only know one thing about you. The one thing they know about you is what's listed in the police report, what are in those videos, in the audio, all negative things. It doesn't really matter how you've lived your life in the past, how you're living in the present, or where you're going in the future, because the only thing they know about you is this one particular case, and that's not fair. As a former prosecutor, I can tell you that the prosecutor views your case and says, you know what, this person's a criminal. This person's a person who deserves a criminal record and should possibly go to jail. A judge looks at the case in a similar way. Now, a judge is supposed to be neutral, but all they know about you is what's in the police report. They've never had a conversation with you. They don't know what you do for a living. They don't know anything about your family. So it's our job to put all of that on display for the judge and the prosecutor. Now, words only go so far in court. We need real actions. Now, what I mean by real actions are what are we going to do to demonstrate who you really are. In my book, I talk about how we do this. The first thing is definitely volunteer work in the community. If drugs and alcohol are involved, we do a substance abuse evaluation, see where you are. If there's any recommended treatment or education, we go ahead and do that. We do things ahead of time to demonstrate that you've already learned from the situation that you put yourself in, and you're simply a good person in a bad situation. You're not a bad person in a bad situation. We do a number of different things, including testing, I mentioned evaluation, the community service, certain classes that we attend. We do everything possible to change the perception of your case. Now, if you're able to do this, what we can potentially do is keep this off of your record. It can mean a dismissal, a reduction in charges, avoiding jail. There's a number of positive things we can do for your case. So all cases in the Pittsfield Township have two paths. The path of litigation and challenging the charges, either at trial or via motion, or the path of negotiation. How can we accomplish our goals in terms of keeping something off of your record or avoiding jail? So, if you're charged with a crime in the Pittsfield Township Court, I look forward to talking to you. I look forward to providing you with materials, including my book, to review. And I look forward to evaluating you if you're the right client for my program. I'm very selective in who I work with, but I'm willing to hear from about your case and hear about you, and I look forward to helping you.